I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You need 2 quick checks before changing network. Make sure your carrier offers 4G on your plan and that your iPhone has at least 20% battery. Now open Settings and tap Cellular. This takes you to Network Controls. Once in Cellular, tap Cellular Data Options to see voice and data choices. Make sure airplane mode is off so the phone can register on the carrier. These first steps ensure your iPhone can negotiate a 4G connection without interruption. Once done, tap Cellular Data Options and then Voice and Data. Here you control preferred network types. Select LTE or 4G from the list. This forces the phone to prefer 4G when available. If 5G or 3G is selected, switch them off or choose LTE only to reduce handovers that drop performance. Make sure data roaming settings match your travel needs. Changing this option tells the modem which radio technology to prioritize, improving speed and compatibility with many apps. Finish by backing out and restarting your iPhone so the cellular radio re-registers with the carrier on 4G. If you don't see 4G, toggle cellular off and on. That prompts a fresh network attach. If problems persist, check for carrier settings updates in Settings General About, and only then reset network settings to clear misconfigurations. Remember, resetting removes saved Wi-Fi passwords, so have them handy. This step resolves stubborn registration or SIM-related issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.